Welcome to 3D Printastics. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing our X1C carbon with AMS. So as you can see, we have the Bambu Labs X1 series combo that has the AMS as well. So let's get unboxing. As you can see, it's packaged very well. Now that I can get this out of here without breaking it. Okay, so we got it out of the box here. As you can see, fully wrapped up still. And inside the box, looks like they gave us a couple rolls of filament to try out here. So, to get the AMS out, I'm going to have to take out that Allen key, as well as that Allen key. There we go. Now it should just pull right out. Okay, pull this out. Okay, so as you can see, we have switched locations. Now we're to plug this in, right in there, push it all the way in. Same should be right there. Then what's that cord? This cord, AMS cord. So you take the cord with the 6-pin and plug it in there. I'll take the other end up here to there. That'll clip in. Then you take this one with the 90 in it. It will fit right there. And on the bottom side of this, it'll clip into there. And that's it for the wiring on the back. So next, we're going to be installing the screen. So we got to take this piece of tape off here. Gently pull it off of here. Without tearing the fucking cable. Now we're going to grab our screen, which is right here. So on the back of here, so connector, and as you can see it says connect and disconnect. I'm going to take this and I'm going to connect it into this one, right there. So now that's clipped in, it literally just clips in and you'll hear it clip in. And we just take it, slide it in, and push it over, just like that. Now we'll remove this, and that's it for that. One thing to mention before you try and print, there's 3 screws. One right here, one right there, which is hard to see, and then a third one back there, which with this lighting you can't see, but it is there. There'll be a little red arrow like that. Take those out, and then this bed will be able to go up and down. So after you turn your printer on, you're going to get this screen here. It says select language. Click next. And it's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi. Click the Wi-Fi, it's yours. And it'll ask for a password. Type in your password, hit join. If you typed in the right password, it should connect. And just click next. And then you would scan your QR code. So once you do that, you're going to log in, bind it, and click next. Agree to the terms and services. You can do that if you like. I'm going to hit join anyways. And it's going to need to calibrate. Click next. Click calibrate. And then it's going to do its thing. Make sure you take out these. Allow it to do its thing. And there you have it. Start printing, and there you go. That's it. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this helps you set up your Bambu Labs X1 and P1.